Students, today we are going to revise write in figures 51 to 75. Write the ordinals, after numbers and missing numbers. So let's start. Write here today's date. Right? This is revision. So we will write REV. Capital R, small e, small v, dot. REV, revision. Write in figures, one finger gap, capital W, small r, small I, small t, small e. WRITE, write. One finger gap, IN, in. One finger gap, FIGURES. Write in figures. Open bracket. 51. 5151 to TO2 7575. Close the bracket. Full stop. Revision. Write in figures 51 to 75. Start writing with teacher. Write 5151. Leave one box. 5252. 5353. 5454. You have to leave one box after writing each figures. Leave one box. 5555. Now leave one box here. Write 5656. Leave one box. 5757. Leave one box. 5858. Leave one box. 5959. Leave one box. 6060. Leave one box here. Write 6161. Leave one box. 6262. Leave one box. 6363. Leave one box. 6464. Leave one box. 6565. Leave one box here. Write 6666. Leave one box. 6767. Leave one box. 6868. Leave one box. 6969. Leave one box. Write 7070. Leave one box. 7171. Leave one box. 7272. Leave one box. 7373. Leave one box. 7474. Leave one box. 7575. Now we are going to revise ordinals. Write the ordinals. Write REV, capital R, small e, small v, revision. Write capital W, R, I, T, E. Write one finger gap, THE, the. One finger gap. Write the spelling of ordinals. ORDINALS. Full stop. Write the ordinals. Now we will write the spelling of ordinals. Write first. Write first कैसे लिखते हैं? Write 1 and small s, small t. First. Give a hyphen here. Write the spelling of first. Capital F, small I, small r, small s, small t. F-I-R-S-T first. Leave one line. Write second. Second कैसे लिखते हैं हम? 2 नंबर एंड ऊपर 2 के ऊपर लिखना है ND second. Give a hyphen. Write spelling of second. Capital S, small e, small c, small o, small n, small d. SECOND second. Leave one line. Write third. How do we write third? 3 number and above 3 write small r, small d. Third. Give a hyphen. Write the spelling of third. Capital T, small h, small I, small r, small d. THIRD third. Leave one line. Write fourth. 4 number and above 4 write small t, small h. Fourth. Hyphen. Capital F, small o, small u, small r, small t, small h. What is the spelling of fourth? F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Leave one line. Write fifth. How do we write fifth? 5 number and above 5 write small t, small h. Fifth. Give a hyphen. Write the spelling of fifth. Capital F, small I, small f, small t, small h. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-R-S-T first. S-E-C-O-N-D second. T-H-I-R-D third. F-O-U-R-T-H fourth. F-I-F-T-H fifth. Come to next page. Now we are going to write after numbers. Okay. Write revision. Capital R, small e, small v dot. 1 finger gap. Capital W, R, I, T, E. W-R-I-T-E. Write 1 finger gap. Write after. Capital A, small f, small t, small e, small r. Write after numbers. Small n, u, m, b, e, r, s, full stop. Write after numbers. Write a, small a, dot. Write 4, 8, 48. 4, 8, 48. Leave one box and draw one box here. What comes after 48? 4, 8, 48 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? What comes after 48? Say with me, 4, 8, 48. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 4, 9, 49. After 48, 49. Leave one line. Write small b dot. Here write 6, 5, 65. Leave one box. Draw a box here. What will come after 65? 65 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 6, 5, 65. Here it will come 6, 6, 66. 65, 66. Leave one line. Write small c dot. Now write here 3, 4, 34. Leave one box and draw a box here. What will come after 3 4 34? 34 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 3 5 35. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 34 35. Now we will write the missing numbers. Right here, capital W, small r, I, T, E, right? One finger gap. THE, the. Capital M, I, SS, ING, missing numbers. One finger gap. NUMBERS, missing numbers, full stop. Write small a, leave one box here, write small a dot, write 2 to 22, leave one box, dash, leave one box, write 2 4 24, leave one box, dash, leave one box, dash. After 22 which number will come in missing here? 2 to 22 के बाद 2 3 2 3 23, 2 3 23, 2 4 24. What will come here after 24? 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 22 23 24 25 26. Leave one line. After leaving one box, write B here, small b, dash, leave one box, write 7 to 72, leave one box, dash, leave one box, dash, leave one box, write 7 5 75. 7 to 72 के पहले कौन सा आएगा नंबर? 71 72. What will come here? 7 1 71. 7 to 72. After 72, 7 3 73. What will come here? 7 4 74. 7 5 75. 71 72 73 74 75. Leave one box, write C dot, dash, leave one box, 5 6 56, leave one box, dash, leave one box, 5 8 58, leave one box, dash. What will come here before 56? यहाँ पे missing में क्या आएगा? 56 से पहले क्या आता है? 55 5 5 55 55 56. Then will come 57 5 7 57. After 57 58. Then 5 9 59. Understood the missing numbers? Okay. Thank you, students.